Alright, so here's the replacement boss. I'm going here. There it is. I'll have it welded. The crack all the way around. The chamfer on the inside so I can weld all this. And when it's welded, I'll rebore the hole for the shaft. That should be fixed. This came out of a piece of cast aluminum. Came out of this. So it's, I don't know what alloy it is, but it is cast. So, and this is cast. So that they're very similar. Should weld up very nice. Alright, well, here's the repair. It's welded. Or I should say soldered. Just got done doing this about half an hour ago. It's cool now. It's in. I used this stuff here. Aluminum rods. It's basically a low temperature aluminum soldering. I don't know what the brand name of this is other than alumiweld rods. It's basically the same stuff as alumiloy. You can watch it on YouTube. You can see people that know what they're doing really use it. And the stuff, it works pretty good. I have a really tough time with it when I use it. I mean, I gotta do a lot of sanding and cleanup work to this. It's all kind of bumbly. A lot of spatter. Not really spatter, but drips. I mean, stuff works. It's strong. Stuff is nails. I opted to do the alumiloy because I just didn't feel like waiting to go to a welder. Have a TIG weld. I should have had a TIG welded. Probably would have been stronger. Would have looked a lot better. But once I clean this up, it'll look alright. The way that stuff works is you basically have to get this whole area up to 730 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you basically scratch the stuff on there and it just melts in like solder in a copper pipe. Like I said, I have a tough time with it. You watch the guys on YouTube do it, or if you watch the infomercial, if you've ever seen it, they just really know what they're doing. They make it look easy. I find it kind of, I always get it too hot and then it just flows everywhere. And you get all these things. Just like when the solder drips off your pipe and you get this. You know, these are all just drips. I don't even know why I saved these. You can still use these. You can reheat this stuff and melt it in as many times as you want. I guess if you were to make some other kind of joint. So if you wanted to stick this in there, heat the back or heat everything up until it melted in, then it would work. But I don't know why I keep them. It's pretty expensive. It's about, there's 8 rods at 18 inches long in here. They're about an 1/8 inch in diameter, and this little pack is like $14.99. This is from Harbor Freight. It's American made. Yes, Harbor Freight actually has a couple American made products. It's from Florida. You know, the stuff works pretty good. This repair should hold up. You know, time will be the test, I guess. But after I clean this up, Next step is going to be to bore the hole in here for the kickstart. When I get that set up, I'll get some footage of it.